Alright everybody, I'm about to do a night video with the Garmin Dash Cam 45. I posted up earlier a daytime shot, and now we're going to do a nighttime shot. So we're going to drive for about 2-3 minutes, and I'm going to upload it to my phone, then upload it to YouTube so you guys could get an overall view. Hopefully it will come out right, because if it comes out pretty good, then I'm 100% impressed with the Garmin Dash Cam 45, and I will be rating it, instead of 8 out of 10, a 10 out of 10. It has a lot of beautiful features. Okay, here we go. And we have a light drizzle tonight, so that even is going to also see exactly how this Garmin 45 really performs at night, along with a little light drizzle. family, friends. I'm taking her down some real dark streets as well.